Hi friends, in today's video we are going to learn another financial function is PPMT function. The PPMT function is variation of the PMT function where the payment is calculated on the principals with a consistent interest rate and consistent periodic payments. Both PPMT function and PMT function have the same meaning. However, the PMT function accepts the periodic payments. Let us assume the 10,000 as loan payment or loan amount, and the interest rate is 9%. The number of the payment is 12 terms, and we need to calculate the monthly payment. The monthly payment, as we calculated in the previous function, PMT function, is equal to the PMT function. We look at the PMT function. PMT function's rate is 9%, and ask us to enter this divided by 12 months, and we need to enter the number of periods. We do have 12 periods of 12 payments, and the present value of the payment is 10,000. Then comma, the future value is 0, so we clicked the 0. We don't have the future value. For the type means whether the payment should be at the end or the beginning. This is 0. So the monthly payment is 870. So here we need to calculate the total payment is the monthly payment times 12 payments, or the period of payments. So the total payment is 10,498.18 cents. So we do have 3 columns here. Terms means the payment period, and we do have from 1 up to the 12 payments as shown in the number of payments there here. And the payment is calculated as equal a dollar sign as equal dollar. Payment is calculated as equal dollar sign, and the monthly payment is in the cell of G, and again dollar sign in cells 9s give us terms, and drag down the formula to apply for the 12 periods of payment. The total payment would give us equal sum to the from 1 period up to the 12th, the last period, which gives us the total of 10,494, the same amount as the total payment we calculated earlier. So on the other hand, let's calculate the principals. The principals is calculated with the at the PPMT function. The PPMT function is the rate. We need to select the rate is 9%, and then it asks us, so we apply dollar sign to apply for all. It means dollar sign and G dollar sign, and on cell 7, comma, the period. Here we do have the period at the cell 1, the year 1. The period is at the year 1. Then comma, Number of the payment, we do have 12 payments. Number of payment, we do have the 12 payment, means $sign J $sign on the cell 8, comma again. The present value would be that 10,000. So you need to apply it with $sign again, $sign cell J and $sign the 7 or 6, sorry, the payment, and comma. For the future value, we do not have the future value, would be 0, and the type would be at the end of the period would be 0 if at the beginning of the year would be 1. And let us copy the formula for all period 12 periods. That's all about the PMT function. Please share and like the video. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.